Hi there, I'm Steve Freeman, hit songwriter, multi-platinum selling record producer, and founder of the Artist Development Academy. In this brand new course brought to you by the Academy, Maschine for Songwriters and Producers, you're going to learn how to use one of the most important and powerful tools in the arsenal of any songwriter, producer, and artist. With the knowledge of knowing how to properly use Maschine, you can create demos in your own home studio. You can create full, radio-ready, mastered songs that are ready to go to retail, digital distribution outlets, or any digital streaming platform. One of the things that makes Maschine so powerful is that maybe you're not at the level of a session guitarist, or piano player, or synth player, or drummer, or beat maker. Maschine makes it possible for you to learn that skill and put it to use in your own career. Your instructor for this course is hit songwriter, producer, and artist Adam Siren. He's going to show you how to take your ideas, put them into Maschine, and come out the other end with a fully radio-ready single. As a matter of fact, Adam even recently used Maschine exclusively to write and produce a track that was featured in Showtime's hit show, Shameless. Yes, by the end of this course, you will be able to do that as well. So if you've ever wanted to know how the top multi-platinum selling producers create some of those sounds and get those beats and get those productions to sound exactly the way that they do, you're in the right place, and you're going to learn all of that right here inside this course, Maschine for Songwriters and Producers, brought to you by the Artist Development Academy. Maschine is the choice of most top platinum and multi-platinum selling producers when creating tracks for some of the biggest artists on the planet. We are excited about showing you how to create those same sounds and have that same quality right from the comfort of your own home studio. Just like every other course, inside the Maschine for Songwriters and Producers course, we are guiding you step by step. So if you have any questions about what you're learning, all you have to do is place your questions or comments in the questions and comments section of each lesson, and myself or Adam or another one of our instructors will get back with you and answer your question one-on-one to make sure that you are fully understanding what it is that you're learning, so that you can take it from here all the way through production. If you want to learn the tips, tricks, and tools used by the most popular producers on the face of the planet, you can do that in this course, Maschine for Songwriters and Producers. Who would have ever thought it would have been possible to level the playing field between you sitting at home and the highest paid, most popular producers on the face of the planet, the ones that are constantly at the top of the charts? That's what this course is all about. Maschine for Songwriters and Producers will teach you the tool. It will give you the knowledge, and we walk you through step by step how to take your songs from idea mode all the way through to full-scale productions using only Maschine. If you're ready to put those tools and that knowledge to work for you in your home studio and in your career, all you have to do is take this course. The Maschine for Songwriters course is available as a standalone course, or I highly suggest you join us and become a member of the Artist Development Academy, where you get a course just like this one, even including this one, every single month with your annual or monthly membership. You also get access to our members-only online forum where you can meet other collaborators and co-writers. You can ask other industry professionals like myself and other hit songwriters, producers, label executives, and publishing company executives. You can post your work for feedback. You can ask us a question and get immediate responses so that you get help when and where you need it. So whether you purchase this course individually or you choose to become a member and join us with an all-access pass at the Artist Development Academy, I hope you enjoy this course, and I hope you take your career to the next level. I hope that you put what you're about to learn to work for you, to help you be more successful in your career.